Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make apple pie easily at home, easy method. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F, peel and slice 6 apples, and prepare your crust. I'll walk you through a simple filling, an easy lattice, and a foolproof bake time so your pie is golden and juicy. Little tips along the way help with texture and flavor, and you can swap spices to taste. Stay tuned and let's make a pie you'll be proud to serve. Gather 6 medium apples, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoon flour, 1 tsp cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, 1 cold stick of butter, and 1 egg. Peel and core the apples, then slice them about 1/4 inch thick for even cooking. Toss slices with sugar, flour, and spices in a large bowl until coated. Chill your dough briefly if it softens, and preheat the oven so everything is ready to bake. Roll out one crust into a pie dish and fill it with the apple mixture, mounding slightly in the center. Dot the filling with small butter pieces and top with a lattice or full crust, sealing and crimping the edges. Brush the top with beaten egg and sprinkle a little sugar for crispness. Bake at 375 degrees F for 45 to 50 minutes until bubbling and golden, then cool so slices set and flavor develops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.